A very warm welcome to all. My name is Hassam Ali, and today I will do the presentation on the topic ICICI Prudential Mid Cap 50 Index. We will try to do the analysis and we'll try to find out what is the in the ICICI Prudential Mid Cap Fund is all about, and we'll try to also figure out the valuation stuff even as well. Now moving with our first slide, we have the introduction part. ICICI Prudential Midcap 150 Index provides an exposure to the investors to the midcap segment of the marketplace. The scheme will invest in the well diversified Nifty Midcap 150 Index constituents spread across the industries. Now in this slide we are going to discuss about the investment objective. The Nifty Mid Cap Index has consistently outperformed Nifty 50 and Nifty Small Cap Index for over the last 10 years, approximately one decade. It has also outperformed other indices in the long term, 5 years that based on the SIP returns. Based on calendar year returns, Nifty Mid Cap 150 Index has outperformed Nifty 50 Index 7 times in the last 10 years. So you can see that the particular index fund has really outperformed significantly in the recent years. Now let's talk about its asset allocation. We on the first column we have the instrument, and in the second column we have the allocation, that is percent of total assets, that is minimum and maximum, which has been divided into two parts, and the third column consists of the risk profile. So the instrument equity and equity related securities constituting Nifty 150 mid cap index. Minimum is allocation is 95 and maximum is 100, and risk profile is medium to high. Same it compared to the debt and money market instruments. Minimum is 0, maximum is 5, and the risk profile is low to medium. Unit of debt ETF allocation percent is 0 for the minimum part, and for the maximum part is 5% of the total assets, and the risk profile is low to medium. Now let's talk about the scheme details. The name of the scheme is the ICICI Prudential Midcap 150 Index. Type an open-ended index scheme replicating Nifty Midcap 150 Index. Category is of equity scheme. Benchmark is the Nifty Midcap 150 Index. Entry is not applicable, and exit load is nil. This is not be provided. The fund manager, if we have to talk about, is the two name persons name that persons have been recited over here, that is Kaizad Elginham and Nishit Patel, and the minimum application is rupees 100 and multiples rupees 1. Expense ratio is up to 1%. So thank you. That was all about the ICICI Prudential Midcap 150 Index. Thank you all for listening to this PPT. Thank you and have a nice day. Signing off, HassamVidi, yourself.com.